It's Miss Irene again, and I can't wait to jump in. Here we go. Now, have you guys ever heard of a place called Africa? Africa is a beautiful continent, and they have amazing, interesting, unique animals in Africa. And I've always wanted to travel to Africa so that I can meet all of these interesting, beautiful, unique animals. Do you guys think we could use our imaginations to travel to Africa to see all of the different animals? Oh my goodness, how exciting! Do you guys think you could come with me? Okay, well, first things first. If we are heading to Africa with our imaginations to see all of the animals, we might need to go on an animal safari. Now, on an animal safari, you might need to bring a pack full of things to make sure that you are protected. Let's see here. I'm going to pull out my imaginary pack to one side of me and put it right in front of me. How about you do the same? Think in your brain box about something that you want to bring with you on your imaginary adventure. It might be your favorite stuffed animal. It might be your favorite snack. Or it might be something like a pair of sunglasses. So let's think in our brain box about something that we might want to put in our imaginary pack to take with us. All right, if you can think in your brain box about your favorite snack, something that you really like to put in your tummy. It might be a fruit roll-up. It might be a granola bar. It might be goldfish. Anything you want. Think in your brain box about what that snack might be. And then on the count of 3, I want you to turn your body into that snack. So I might turn myself into a goldfish. Or I might turn myself into an apple. Or I might turn myself into a juice box. Anything you like. All right, so let's think in our brain box about what our favorite snack is. And when I count to 3, I want to see you turn your body into that snack. Here we go. 1, think in your brain box about your snack. 2, we're going to turn our bodies into it, and 3. I turned myself into a very tasty cookie. What did you turn your body into? Oh, wow. Can I see the shape of that with your body? Oh, how exciting. Well, we're going to take our imaginary treat and we're going to put it inside of our bag. Let's think. While we're traveling, we might need to put something on our skin to keep ourselves protected. What might we put on our skin to keep ourselves protected? Oh, sunscreen. Excellent idea. Let's pull out a container of sunscreen, squirt a little into our hand, lather it up. And you want to make sure you've washed your hands before you do any of this. So if you haven't washed your hands yet, you might want to pause, go to the bathroom, wash your hands, and then come back. Or you can do this, pretend, and not actually touch your face while we put our imaginary sunscreen on. Under our eyes, our forehead, our chin, our neck, our ears, our arms, the chest, our back, our legs. Wow, we're really, really covered. Excellent job, guys. Now there are a lot of bugs in an African safari, so we might need to bring some what? Bug spray. Oh, great idea. All right, get your imaginary bug spray out. Oh, we got 1 leg. How many legs do we have? We have 2 legs. We should probably get our other leg, shouldn't we? All right, excellent job. We've got our snack. We've got our sunscreen. We've got our bug spray. Well, you know, on an African safari, it gets really, what? Hot. And we might get a little thirsty. So we should probably bring a bottle of what? A bottle of water. If there's something else that you like to drink, you can bring that too. But water is usually a good place to start. So let's reach behind ourselves. Get ourselves a tasty bottle of water to bring with us. Excellent job. Okay. We might need something on our 2 feet to keep our feet nice and safe. What might we put on our 2 feet to keep them safe? Oh, good idea. Now, do you put shoes on your feet first or socks on your feet first? First, we put socks on our feet. So let's put our imaginary socks on our feet. Now, how many feet do we have? 2. If you got 2 feet, you need how many socks? 2 socks. So we're going to put one sock on one foot, the second sock on the second foot. And how many boots do we need, or shoes? 2, that's right. Let's put those on. Now our boots might snap, 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 snap. They might zip, zip, zip. They might tie, they might Velcro. There's so many different fascinators, ways that we fasten our clothing. How fascinating is that? All right, we've got our socks, we've got our boots, we've got our water, we've got our bug spray, we've got our sunscreen, we've got our snack. We might need to put something on our head to protect us from the sun. What do you guys think we might need? Oh, a hat. That's an excellent idea. Let's reach up above ourselves on the very top shelf. You might have to get on your tippy toes and reach all the way up to find the hat that you want. Wow. Your hat might be a little itty bitty teeny tiny hat. Or it might be a humongous giant hat. Your hat might be a baseball cap, a cowboy hat. You might have a hat covered in feathers and glitter and rainbow colors. Anything you want. So let's see our imaginary hats in front of ourselves, and let's put those on our head. Oh, wow. You guys look really great with your hats on. Now, we've got our hats on to protect our faces, but sometimes we might need to do a little extra protection for our eyes. What might we put on our eyes to protect them from the sun? Sunglasses. Wow, an excellent idea. Let's get ourselves a pair of sunglasses, and let's reach behind ourselves. Put our sunglasses on. Oh wow, you guys look really styling. Okay, we look so cool that I think I'm gonna have to get a picture of us. So how about you guys, on the count of 3, I want you to pose right where you are with your hat and your glasses. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, pose! Wow, let's take another picture. 1, 2, 3, pose! Okay, last one. You gotta make it a good one. 1, 2, 3, pose! Wow, guys. These are excellent pictures, and we're gonna really want to remember this extravagant journey. So it's a good thing we've got our imaginary pictures of this time. Okay, we've got our bag. Let's make sure we pack everything else up. And let's think in our brain box about one extra thing we want to bring. It might be that you want to change your clothes into something else. It might be that you want to bring your favorite stuffed animal. It might be that you want to bring something else with you. So think in your brain box about what your imaginary one extra thing might be. And when I count to 3, I want you to whisper that thing into your hands. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Did you whisper your secret thing into your hands? Okay. You've got 1 more second to think about what your imaginary thing might be. Whisper it into your hands. It just appeared in our hands. How amazing is that? Using our imagination is super fun. Okay, let's take these things and put them in our bag. All right. Got our socks. We've got our boots. We've got our water and our snack. We've got our bug spray and our sunscreen. We've got our hat and our sunglasses. I think we're ready to go. Pack up all your things in your bag. Put them on your back. Here we go. Now, one of the ways I like to travel somewhere incredible or amazing using my imagination is by covering my eyes, and then you can repeat after me. Well, first things first, we're gonna need some travel magic to get there. And luckily for you, Miss Irene keeps a lot of travel magic in her back pockets. So I'm gonna take this travel magic and I'm gonna blow it across, and I want you to reach up and catch as much of it as you can. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Catch as much travel magic as you can. And you're gonna put these just over your face like this. You don't have to touch your face if you don't want to touch your face, or if your parents don't want you to touch your face. And if you need to wash your hands before this point, you can hit pause and go and wash your hands before you touch your face. All right, excellent job. We're gonna cover our eyes like this. And repeat after me. Travel magic, travel magic. Travel magic, travel magic. Take us to Africa. Take us to Africa. 1, now let's count to 5 all together. 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes. Wow, this place is amazing. Oh my goodness, we've got the tall grass over there. Ooh, there might be some prowling lions over there. Whoa, we've got these beautiful trees growing up towards the sky. Oh my goodness, I see the jungle over there with all of those vines and weeds growing. Well, friends, it's time for us to go on this African safari.